Students, this question we have from chapter coordinate geometry. It is given the line segment AB joining the points A 2, -4, B 5, 2 is trisected at the points C, coordinates are 3, A, D, B, 0, and we need to find the value of A and B which are here. So first of all, we will draw this rough sketch of this. A at this point is A, coordinate is 2 and -4, and then B, coordinates of B are 5 and 2, and let C and D points are here somewhere, coordinates are 3A and B and 0. Because this is trisected means these three parts are equal, so let their ratio be 1:1. Now first of all we need to find the coordinates of C or D, anyone. So I will find the coordinates of C. So this point C divides AB in the ratio, this full part I am considering as 1 and this. So the ratio will be 1:2, because this is 2 part and this is single part. So ratio will be 1:2. So C is dividing AB in the ratio 1:2. So to find the coordinates of C, I will use section formula, and your section formula is for finding the coordinates of X. It is m1x2 plus m2x1 over m1 plus m2, and to find the coordinates of Y, only we replace x and x1 x2y by 1/2, m1 by 2 plus m2 by 1 over m1 plus m2. So I will directly write these coordinates. So coordinate of C are, I will write the formula here. m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. So m1 x2 1 into 5, so it is 1 into 5 plus m2 x1, m2 is 2, x1 is 2, so 2 into 2 over m1 plus m2 1 plus 2. This is for X, and for Y coordinate it is m1 by 2 means 1 into 2 plus m2 by 2, m2 by 1, that is 2 and -4, so minus will come here, 2 into 4 over 1 plus 2. So you can see here now the calculation. It is 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2 2s are 4 over 3, and here 2 1s are 2 minus 8 over 3. So you can see 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 by 3 and minus 6 by 3. So coordinates are 3 and -2. So here the value of A, you can see here, if you compare this, the value of A, if you compare, it is 2. So A is -2. The value of A is -2. Now this, if you see here, D, the point D divides CB in the ratio 1:1 means D is midpoint. D is the midpoint of both B and C. So by midpoint formula we can find the coordinates. So I will write here, you can here also find, so I will write here the coordinate of C are now 3 and -2, and coordinate of B are 5 and 2. So because D is midpoint, so we can find the coordinates of D here. x1 plus x2 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, and by 1 plus by 2 by 2. So here it become 8, 8 by 2 and 0. So 4, 0. So 4 and 0 are the coordinates of B. So if you see here, this D is B and 0, 0 we got already. So B, what is the value of B? B is 4. So from here the value of B is, so B equals to 4. B is 4 and A is equals to -2. These are the values of A and B.